In this lesson, you'll learn how to find a healthcare provider through your Wellfleet student account. There are a few ways to find an in-network provider for your healthcare needs. If your school has a student health center, you can start by calling or visiting to see if they can help you or refer you to a local in-network provider. In some instances, your student health center may not be able to provide the level of care you need, so you may be wondering, what can I do if the student health center cannot help me? Often, they can provide you with in-network provider options to meet your needs. That's because Wellfleet works with them to have in-network providers included on your health plan. If the student health center cannot assist you in your search, you can easily find in-network providers in and near your location on your Wellfleet Student mobile app. Open the Wellfleet Student app and choose Find Care on the bottom navigational menu. Next, enter the address or zip code of the school, your current location, or the location where you need care. Then choose one of the icons to narrow your search by doctor by type, doctor by name, or health facilities and group practices. You'll see information on multiple providers within your search filters, including contact information, years in practice, quality rankings, new patient availability, telehealth services, and facility location. Once you've located a provider that meets your needs, call the provider's office or schedule online if available. Also on the app, you may have click-to-call access to other services included in your plan, like Care Connect, a 24/7 mental health line, Silver Cloud, a digital behavioral health program, Nurseline, a 24/7 telehealth service with immediate access to a registered nurse, and Teledoc, a convenient phone and video telehealth service. Another option for finding a provider is to visit your school's landing page on wellfleetstudent.com, then enter your school's name in the search bar. Scroll to the Find Health Professionals section and click the Locate a Provider or Network Directory option. Next, you'll have the option to find an in-network provider nearby following the same steps outlined previously, like searching by doctor by type, doctor by name, or health facilities and group practices. Here you can type in your city and state and select the search type. If selecting doctor by type, you can enter a specialty or type of doctor. If selecting doctor by name or health facilities and group practices, you can type in the name of any doctor, health facility, or group practice. Click Search to show results. When prompted, click Continue as guest. Next, type the name of the city and state you want to find care in. Press Continue to select your plan. Under Select a Plan, select the appropriate plan based on your school's offered insurance, i.e., PPO or OAP. This can be found on your ID card. Here, a list of providers in your network and location will show. Click on the provider's name, and additional information will populate. Contact the provider to schedule an appointment and let them know your health insurance plan uses the Cigna PPO network. Now you know how to find an in-network provider. Explore more educational videos to better understand your health insurance coverage.